Hey guys, welcome back to another video here at AutoJacked. Today we have a very exciting video for you guys. We're going to be taking this RC truck, a part of our fleet here at AutoJacked, to our local hobby shop called AJ Hobbies. We're going to be showing you guys around the shop. So basically what's wrong with this truck, guys, is my battery is bloated, so we need a new battery. And my tire is actually ripped, and you can see the foam in the actual tire here. Yeah, ripped right off the rim. So I need a new tire, battery, and about my Blackout XT Pro, my other Redcat truck that was a part of this fleet has actually been trashed, is no longer part of AutoJacked because it has rusted and the drive shafts have snapped and it's just garbage now, trashed. And hope you guys enjoy the video, like, subscribe, comment, and we really enjoy your guys' support. Thank you. Alright guys, this is AJ Hobbies.
Do I follow you or just wait?
Fine. The P-Max is called like that, but they actually
As you can see, guys, this is a beautiful hobby shop. He has all the parts, everything, all you guys can think of about RC.
Guys, he's also in the process of building a little drift course here in the back of the shop. It's gonna be sick when he gets it running. I'll sure come here to drive our trucks and cars.
Here, guys, is the tire section. Hey guys, so I talked to the owner, and the best option is to get this 200 milliamp twist light bulb for my truck. The brand is Power Hobby, and it also comes with stickers, which is pretty cool, that I can put on the shell of my truck. He's just checking what he can do for me with the ripped tire, so I'm just waiting. And yeah guys, this is the most powerful battery I've ever had, because my other battery for this truck that was a Zippy was a 3500 milliamp.
Thank you. Yeah.
Hey guys, we just got out of the shop, and unfortunately he didn't have the tires I wanted in stock, so I'll have to come back Saturday. And for the battery, the Pro Hobby Twist lipo, I'll just buy that Saturday with the tires. So we'll see you then.